Hi, I'm Randy Micheletti, founder of Incubate IP. It's a specialty law firm helping startup and growing companies with their intellectual property protections. I want to talk to you today about the first steps you should take when you start your company. And to your surprise, that's not calling me to get your patent, trademark, and copyright filed. No, instead, there are 3 steps that every startup should take when they launch before you engage an attorney like me to help you with your technology. The first step is you should register your company with the state you live in. That's a pretty easy process, and at least here in Illinois, it's fairly cheap. You can do most of that work yourself, but selecting the type of company that you should be is a little more challenging. There are lots of options, and it depends on whether you're by yourself or you have a partner or you're going to take on partners. That's one of the major variables on how you decide which type of company to be. If you're by yourself, a great option is an S Corp. You can take a lot of the tax benefits of operating at a loss from your company on your personal income tax, which is an awesome way to start your company, especially if you're spending your own money to get it off the ground. The second step you should take is you should set up your accounting and bookkeeping services. That will help you keep track of all the money that you spend on your company so that you can file that tax return and take the benefits on your personal income taxes, especially if you operate at a loss in the first couple of years. There are specialty accountants and CPAs that work exclusively with startup and small companies. They're easy to find, but if you have any trouble finding them, give me a call and I will help connect you with them. The bottom line is you don't have to engage a PricewaterhouseCoopers type of firm spending thousands of dollars a month. It's not necessary at your stage of development. Find someone who's good at startups and will charge you a reasonable rate, and that's the person you should go with. The third step is finding a mentor. That's a really important step for startups. That mentor is ideally someone who has experience in your technology area and it also has experience with startups. That can be a little bit of a challenge to find sometimes, but there are some great resources for you to find that person. One of those is SCORE, S-C-O-R-E. It's a national organization of volunteer mentors. You can find really great help and mentorship out of that organization, but be a little bit careful. Many of their mentors come out of very large companies and have never worked with startups. So make sure that the mentor you get connected with through SCORE is someone that has familiarity and ideally experience with a startup community, taking a company from idea to monetization. Other great resources are local incubators and business accelerators, such as 36 Squared right here in Chicago. They have tons of volunteer mentors and coaches that can help you match you with a mentor that can help you with your specific company, get off the ground, find access to finances and other resources, legal resources, whatever it is that you need to get your business off and running. With those 3 things in mind, then it's probably time to talk to an attorney about protecting your products and services in the marketplace through intellectual property. That would be me, I hope, and you can reach me, Randy Micheletti, at 312-600-5412. Thanks.